Hey, it's Daniel, the whiteboarder. This is my first video. I'm in my YouTube channel. I'm basically the main idea of these videos is share some knowledge, do some cool testing, and try to mix these new technologies with my passions that are skateboarding, surfing, music, food, um, traveling, and so on. And the idea of this first video is basically test my setup. And for to do this one, I would like to show to you how you can use pre-trained models to identify objects, classify, do some segmentations, and so on. And let's go to the code. Well, we I have this code right here that I previously built and test that basically use these two features that Python has. The This CV2 is computer vision features that Python brings. Well, just to play it around with image processing, and the other one is the YOLO models from Ultralytics. And if this is the first time that you are using these ones, you need first to install it. And how to install it? You go to your terminal and use the command pip install. And the first one is let me take a look. It's okay. It's OpenCV Python. Let me. And the other one, it's the Ultra Lytics. And let's do it some zoom. This is the command. Okay, let's do it installation. Now I can use these two features. And what we have here, first of all, we have the capture that we are using the computer vision features to do a video capture about this. Well, this is a local file of me getting a fun wave. And now we are declaring the model that we are using from YOLO. And for this one, I'm just messing around with the last version, but we can use, I like this to test my algorithms and my codes. Um, we have this one, there is the a while loop that, at the first look you could see that is like an infinite loop, but is not. At this one, we have the cap read. There's a function we're extracting right here, and we have the red and the frame. That basically the red is a boolean that stores the data if the frame extract is was successful or not. And the frame, there is the frame information in a numpy array. So that makes sense that we are using an if statement, that we have that is something happening with the red. We uh, print that it's an error and break the while loop that cause the window will close and finish the program. If not, we are evaluating the frame in our YOLO model. And the idea is to put the video frame and overlapping with another frame that it's selecting the object recognition with the label and the percentage of accuracy of that detection, that it's where I'm using these two lines down here. And another one that is a if statement. If I press this key, it will break the loop and basically quit the program. So let's try it. So for this one, I need to use the Python and the image classification.py. Okay, if it is the first time that you are executing that command, it will take a little time because it start downloading the model. But well, this is the bit of me having a fun wave. Yee. So well, it's basically collecting frame per frame and passing through the model. As you can see, well, if detecting me, detecting the surfboard, and yeah, that's pretty cool though. If I quit the program, well, I can see at the login where which it's identifying the algorithm. So I think that's pretty cool too. Well, I was checking the last model, Ultralytics. So you can find all the documentation in Jolo in the Jolo website. So as you can see, well, this is the last version of this one, and well, now you can see if you click here, you can go to each blog about each version, and we'll see what is happening right here, what is the new features, what you can do with this one. So they have a lot of models. As you can see, you can do detections, instance segmentations, or in the detection classification, and so on. This is the model that I like the most. Um, so well, you can find the documentation right here and test it in your local. It's pretty cool. Um, and yeah, well, let's try it again. Our algorithm with the last model. As you can see, I already downloaded, so it won't take too much time to load this one again, I think. So let's run it again, and there you got. It's a very nice wave. I need to improve my pop-up, I know. But if you have some comments, feedback about the code, about my surfing, I appreciate it a lot. So yeah, this is basically the code. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and give me some thumbs up. Thanks. Bye.